is rolling out. The first half is leaving, and then Mike is gonna come with all the stuff in the U-Haul. Are you excited about that?
The extra baggage.
The great exodus from Texas. Let's see, little man. Little man. Say hello. You're leaving your childhood home.
The doors are closing.
Las puertas se están cerrando.
Please hold on. The train is departing for Terminal B.
Por favor, sujétese bien. El tren está saliendo de la terminal.
We made it safely to Utah. Liam and I are now with my grandparents, and now Mike has to come with the giant U-Haul truck, and then we will be moving to Salt Lake. You see the kitty? What's that kitty doing? Since we're finally here in Utah, I thought it was only fitting to talk about lessons I learned from being in Texas. Number one, if you have a chance to go to another state or move somewhere, you should totally do it. There's something to be said about just being in the middle of nowhere with people who don't care about you and don't know you, and you have to be self-sufficient and self-reliant, and it's healthy and it's really good. Number two, lock your car door. This seriously could turn into another story time, but I got a call from the police when I was in Texas, and they were like, has your car been stolen? And I'm like, I hope not. But it was at the mall, and some guy had, like, to top it all off, this guy was shirtless, and he was inside of Mike's car smoking weed, and it was just, lock your car door. You don't need that. You don't need that kind of stress in your life. Number three, practice defensive driving at all times. The worst drivers in America are in Texas, hands down. More specifically, Houston. Anybody who says otherwise has not lived in Texas.